Nĩndũgamano ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo kuo gatagatĩ ka atwarithia a Tuk Tuk na atwarithia Boda Boda ĩgiĩ ũkui wa muingi tauni-ini ya Thika. Kũringana na mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa gĩkundi kĩa atwarithia Tuk Tuk Justus Mwangi, atwarithia Boda Boda nimakoretwo makĩmanyamaria na gũthũkangia Tuk Tuk ciao iria nĩcio muingi wa mwena ũcio makoretwo makĩhũthĩra thabarĩ-inĩ cia tauni ya Thika na gũcũngĩrĩria hathara kũrĩ atwarithia Boda Boda.
Sikuharibia job, si tumejimarket poa. So ndile tu wanakupata, wanakuharibia, wanakutopelea gari miguu, wanakukujia side mirror. So leo tukaamua peaceful demonstration.
Sisi ndio zimekuwa ni lezi na zile ziko busy, watu wa ndudi wameoccupy zote. Unaona? Sasa watu wa Thika wamekuwa kila pahali akienda muziki anafuku. Wakati mwingine anaenda inavunjwa kio, inakapolewa saa, anachapwa. Hiyo ndio ile shida sasa imekuwa imeleta ile bana.
Mwagiugite muingi wa mwena ũcio ri na kihoto hari kwamũra ũtungata ũrĩa mekwenda, kana ni wa Tuk Tuk kana ni wa Boda Boda, no matiagĩrĩirwo ni gũthing'ĩrĩrio.
Customer Thika wamesea Tuk Tuk. So watu wa motorbike wamefeel like tumeharibia job.
Mwena-inĩ wake munini wa munene wa borithi Benadayo augĩte biacara cia ũtwarithia wa Tuk Tuk nĩwĩtĩkĩrĩkĩte kuona marĩ na marũa ma ũkui wa muingi na marĩ na kihoto gĩa kũrutĩra wĩra tauni-inĩ ĩyo.
We meet with both of them to tell them that they should work as one team. They should work because none has been assigned or allocated a designated place for parking or picking. The Tuk Tuk are working within the town as town service, and there's no place which has been allocated to any of them, either Tuk Tuk or Boda Boda. So they should work harmoniously, because for transport somebody goes for what he feels is safer and is of his or her convenience. So whoever wants to go with Tuk Tuk should be given a leeway to take the Tuk Tuk, and whoever wants to go with the Boda Boda should be given a leeway to go with the Boda Boda.
Aya ugite nimekwambika mitaratara ya gutigirira ngucanio ino ni yathira kaimana niguo gutigirira muingi mwena ucio uri na ugitiri. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa ni Wanjiku wa Waweru.